Before eating such mangoes, first examine and assess the severity of spots. Are they small or large, localized or on whole fruit, or on the surface or deep inside? If the spots are on the surface of the mango and have not penetrated into the fruit, it may be safe to eat, even the spots are on a large portion. This big black spot is not wet but looks deep in the skin, so we will see if the fungus has penetrated in the fruit. Let me peel the fruit to see inside. Remove a thick layer of skin. The pulp here is dark. It shows that the fungus has entered in the fruit, but it is confined only to a small portion, not deep into the pulp. We should cut away the affected area before eating. We see that in spite of black spots on the skin, the mango is perfectly well inside and good to eat. In conclusion, the mangoes with black spots are usually totally safe to consume if the spots are not too severe and too deep. If you see black veins or strings in mango flesh, don't worry. These are vascular canal discoloration. Such mangoes are safe to eat. Eating mangoes with black spots can pose some risk depending on the severity of the spots. It can cause abdominal pain, diarrhea, and vomiting. My mango tree gets fungal disease due to wet weather, so the fruits it grows have black spots. We eat most of them but never had such symptoms because we always took care of the above points before eating them. Please subscribe to my channel to watch my other videos and also hit the bell icon to get informed when I post new videos.